guys, and my name is Laura. You guys call me Alex because I actually like the name Alex, and I don't really like the name Laura, so yeah, just call me Alex like it says here. And yeah, in this channel I'm gonna be making videos of Roblox with my friends playing Roblox, of course. So let's get started. Okay guys, so first things first. Basically, I'm just gonna be here, I'm just gonna find, maybe, oh, I hurt myself. I'm gonna find, a secret that does not work for me, which is really sad, because this secret, it could make me rich. Yeah. So in this diamond, if you stand near this diamond, it can go, every second, but to me it does not work, and I don't know why. Maybe if I play longer at the end of the video I will try again, but I'm sure it's not gonna work. Anyways, in here you can go behind here. I'm just gonna tell you so you know. So it's here, the last one, not up here, none of these, but actually let's look at one of them and see if there's any. No, not really, just diamonds. Anyways, the really secrety one is this one. And yeah, there's these diamonds. Then if you go in here, this is my favorite part. It's really nice with diamonds and oh, I never spotted this. 10 guys, and there's a diamond. It's green, it stands out here, sticks out, and it gave me 10 diamonds. One, aww. But anyways, it did give me 10, which was very surprising. It was like a greenish color. Anyways, there is these diamonds, and yeah. And anyways, in here we can go underwater. There's this diamond, I guess. I've always wondered what this is. It's like an icicle sticking out or something. And there's 2 beds, 2 mermaid beds, which I find really cute. And yeah, the last thing is that there's some lockers, 3 lockers, I guess, with some crowns on top of them, which looks super duper cool and cute. I was gonna say cute, if you didn't hear my pronunciation, because I was like, cool, because I wanted to say cute, but yeah, they're really cool and cute, yeah. And, also at the top of this, you get 5 diamonds, because if you go and you get this, it's 5 diamonds. It's really nice, and I really like these secrets, guys. And the other secret is that, in the principal's office, there is a diamond, a red diamond, where you can get 20 diamonds. 20 diamonds, guys! No way. Yeah, you might just be thinking, what? I'm gonna go right now, play and get some diamonds. Yeah. I always like to play and then come every second into this principal's thing. Every minute I like to come to collect. Oh, I never saw that big oh, it was so big, I thought it was gonna give me 100. Oh, imagine if it did, guys. That would be such a big secret. It wouldn't be that big because it's just showing. Anyways, what's the other secreto? Well, there's actually some secrets. Rise and shine, yeah, whatever. I don't know if you've seen this, but if you go here, there, you see these things. Let's fly up to these. I actually don't want to do that, but because it actually really takes a lot of time. So I don't really want to do it. And anyways, this castle is really improved. It's actually a royal castle now, because it didn't really look like that special, a royal thingy, you know. Ooh. And yeah. Okay, moving. Anyways, when you get a dorm, it actually, you don't have to have a key. That's real good anyways. And these have improved so so much. It's not like a little corridor and then your dorms and then you have to get a bag because you like literally. Like it's already got so many furniture. Like look at this, guys. Really good. Really, really nice and cool. I wish there was a diamond, but yeah, there's not. And this is my favorite spot, like really. And then you can have a piano and everything. And also there's a TV. You don't literally have to buy a TV anymore. You can just be with your roommate and get a TV. So your roommate doesn't have to go in your room and disturb you. They can just be here because it's for both of you, right? And yeah. Anyways, I have to miss breakfast. No. And anyways, when you claim a bedroom, it's already got this super cute, fluffy, carpet, and it's also got this. It's got this. It's like really cool. It's got these things you can sit with your roommate or your friends, I guess. There's more seats here. It's amazing. And you've got a balcony. Like, really? Oh my god. A balcony. So that's the balcony I have. This one right there. I really want to see someone else's balcony. Well, I've been to this balcony. This looks like the biggest balcony. Anyways, I really like my balcony because look, I like this stairs. And yeah, let's go back inside. Oh, it's this way actually. Anyways, we gotta have lunch really quickly, guys. Let's rush. Ah! We have to go really quickly. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. That was tiring just to go from there to here. Like, it was actually not. Lol. I wanna get the royal berry pancake sets. It's amazing, guys. And then I wanna get the I wanna get the chocolate milk. Alright. Here we go. And I'm gonna go to this one. Oh, actually, this one is a really nice color. Hello. Oh. Can you do your things quickly? Because I like really need to do this. Taking so long. I'm just gonna go in another one. I should have gone to the red one. Let's pull this thing. That did not take anything. See, girl, that's how you can be quick. Quicker. Come on, chop chop. I love it's so funny when people like say chop chop because it's like super funny. In my opinion, it is. Oh, I don't want to say. Oh no, I want to take this back. Oh, I have to sit with this girl. No. Yeah. Finish your food. What kind of this? Yeah, it's got some marshmallows. No way. That looks so good. Or I don't know. I don't know if that's maybe marshmallows or something. These just look amazing. Like, I want to eat my computer because of this. Yes. Actually, no. Definitely, actually. No, I don't get to eat my thing. Oh, well. I'm just gonna miss. I gotta eat this quickly. Okay, whatever. Wait, what are we doing? Oh, I have to look at my schedule. If we do have one, actually. Find a friend in a different server. Switch worlds coming soon. Oh my god, that is super duper cool. Twirl. Jump in it. Yo. Looks like I'm tripping right there. That does not look good. I remember I saw this thing and yeah. I like saw this and it was like gold. If you don't know, it's funny. And if you don't know Golden Glare, she was like crying and doing this song. It was super funny. That's not really good dab actually. It's like looking that way. Anyways, let's do the night. Hello. Hello, I guess. Bye bye anyway. Woo! I'm relaxing. That's actually really cool. Chill. Chill. I don't want to change into my suit. Oh my god, no! Am I gonna be like this? Why have I just got this animation now? Can I go to my animation? Let me see. Animations. Can I go? I have the bubbly idol, but the whoop and everything else is the. Yeah, let's just go with the cartoon. I really like the cartoon and the verbal animation. Whoa! Whoa! No! It's got 4. I never noticed that. No! Oh my god! I know this. Tripped me off. No! What? I should have never done that. Whoa! Please! No! Oh, that is so bad. Guys, I started to get tripped over, but like, oh, I'm doing very bad in this lesson. I used to be very good at this. No. Yes. 3, 2, 1. I fell down 4 times. I got an A-. Well, whatever. Yeah, I got a good little star. I'm the queen. Ooh. Guys, I think there's like a little secret. Look. Whoa. There, I got 3 diamonds. Alright, another 3. Let me go out. Anyways, guys, this was the end of the video. If you did like this video and you want a part 2, comment down below. And if you do want a shout out in my next video, comment down below. #notification squad. Bye, guys.